Visual opens on a pristine white luxury showroom. Soft light reflects off a vibrant green motorcycle standing proudly in the center. The camera slowly moves forward as the host walks into frame. Host smiles and says, "Welcome back to C Motor, where passion meets performance and every machine has a story." Today, we're standing in front of a legend reborn, the 2026 Yamaha DT 175. This bike isn't just metal and rubber, it's a memory, a feeling, and a promise of freedom. The DT name carries decades of off-road heritage, and Yamaha has brought it back with a soul that respects the past while embracing the future. Just look at it, that classic round headlamp, the slim body, the tall stance, it feels like it's ready to leave the showroom and chase horizons. The camera circles the bike in slow motion, highlighting the tank, the frame, and the rugged tires. Host continues, "The first thing that hits you is the design. Yamaha didn't overcomplicate it. They kept it raw, honest, and purposeful. The vibrant green paint pays tribute to Yamaha's racing roots, while modern touches give it a premium finish. Every curve feels intentional. The high-mounted exhaust, the spoked wheels, the slim seat, everything whispers adventure. It's a motorcycle that doesn't beg for attention, it earns it. You can imagine it standing beside a dusty trail, or parked under city lights, and in both worlds, it feels perfectly at home." Visual cuts to close-ups of the engine, suspension, and front forks. Host speaks with excitement, "Beneath this retro-inspired shell lives a heart built for today's rider." The 2026 DT 2175 carries a responsive and efficient engine that's tuned for real-world riding. It's not about insane top speed, it's about usable power, smooth delivery, and that satisfying pull when you twist the throttle. This is the kind of engine that makes you smile at every gear change. Lightweight construction keeps the bike agile, while modern engineering ensures reliability. You don't just ride it, you connect with it. Whether you're navigating city traffic or climbing a dirt path, it feels alive in your hands. The camera switches to a cockpit view, showing the handlebars, speedometer, and the top of the tank. Host says, "Sit on this bike and you immediately understand its purpose." The upright riding position keeps you comfortable and in control. The wide handlebars give you leverage, making it easy to maneuver through tight spaces or rough terrain. The seat is slim but supportive, designed for long rides without fatigue. The classic round speedometer blends old-school charm with modern clarity. Everything is simple, clean, and rider-focused. This is a motorcycle that doesn't distract you with unnecessary tech, it invites you to ride, to feel the road, and to trust your instincts. Visual transitions to an outdoor scene where the bike rides along a dusty trail, then cuts to smooth city streets. Host continues, "What truly defines the DT 2175 is its versatility. It's a bridge between worlds. On dirt, the long travel suspension absorbs bumps with ease, keeping the ride stable and confident. The knobby tires dig into gravel and sand, giving you grip when the path disappears. In the city, the same bike becomes nimble and friendly, gliding through traffic, hopping over potholes, and turning heads at every stoplight. It's rare to find a machine that feels so natural in both environments, and that's what makes this Yamaha special." The camera shows the bike splashing through shallow water, then cruising under streetlights at night. Host speaks in a calm, inspiring tone, "Motorcycles like this remind us why we fell in love with riding in the first place. It's not about numbers on a spec sheet, it's about moments. The sound of the engine in the early morning. The wind, against your chest on an empty road. The dust rising behind you as you leave the pavement behind. The DT 2175 is built for those moments. It's built for riders who believe that every ride should feel like an escape, even if it's just a short trip to work." Visual shows the host standing beside the bike at sunset. Host says, "Yamaha didn't just revive a name, they revived a philosophy. The DT series was always about freedom, simplicity, and adventure. The 2026 DT 2175 carries that spirit forward. It's approachable for new riders and exciting for experienced ones. It doesn't intimidate, it invites. It doesn't demand perfection, it rewards curiosity. This is a bike that encourages you to take the long way home, to turn when you see a dirt road, to explore without a plan." The camera focuses on details like the exhaust, rear shocks, and chain in motion. Host continues, In a world filled with complex machines and digital overload, there's something refreshing about a motorcycle that feels pure. The DT 2175 reminds us that riding is about connection, between rider and machine, between road and horizon. It's about trusting your hands, your balance, and your sense of adventure. Every scratch it collects becomes part of your story. Every mile becomes a memory. Final visuals show the bike parked under golden light, the showroom fading into an open landscape. Host faces the camera and says, "Here on C Motor, we believe that the best motorcycles are the ones that make you feel something." The 2026 Yamaha DT 2175 does exactly that. It carries history in its design and possibility in its performance. It's not just a bike, it's an invitation to ride, to explore, and to live a little louder. If your heart beats faster at the thought of open roads and hidden trails, this machine is waiting for you. Keep riding, keep dreaming, and stay connected with C Motor, because every legend begins with a single ride.